Euro USD. Now we start with the daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, okay, now the price moving. I mean, this is like the way it is moving can give the possibility. It can give a possibility that price can drop. Okay, what I want to say is that if we see this kind of the move, we are not sure how long we will be within this move and how high it can go. But if we get any sell setup, we are more interested, because if we get the sell setup, the price can drop quite a lot. But now the question is how long we will be within this range and how high it can go. Okay, but what I want to mention again, it doesn't mean for sure the price can drop, because sometimes the price can correct similar to what we have here and continue a bit higher, suddenly give a sharp move up. What the reason is, I mean, what I want to say is that if we want to look for sell for this kind of the move, we need to get the proper trade setup. But why we want, because if the price drop can give us a very good trade in terms of the risk and reward. Okay, no, we don't have any trade setup based on daily chart. The only thing is, maybe put our line here. Okay, then we move to lower time frame. We see how we can trade it, whether we have any trade setup based on lower time frame or not. Okay, if we move to forward chart, okay, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup as well. As we can see, the price is just moving within this two line. How high it can go, we are not sure. Okay, doing maybe based on lower time frame, we can look for buy within this small range, but any trade will be short-term trade. Okay, but based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. If I move to 1 hour chart, okay, may I move to forward chart first? I just changed these things. Okay, if we move to 1 hour chart, first of all, if you refer to my last video again, when the price was here, I mentioned that we are looking for sell. This is what the price dropped. But do we have any sell setup based on lower time frame? The only way we could sell was here, because what I explained, that we wanted the price to drop, reverse, break this high, then from there we get the trade. This is what we were looking for, but we didn't get it. Okay, the only way we could trade was here, and it was a very small trade. Okay, anyway, we didn't have the really good trade setup, and now we want to see whether we have any new trade setup. We don't have any trade setup right now. And what I say, based on a higher time frame and long-term trade, we are more interested in the short term. That means if the price come and break this near to this top, any sell we get, we can trade it. Do we need to look for buy within this range? It depends. If we get any buy, yes, we can trade it if buy setup. But right now we don't have any trade setup, and in this case we just follow the chart. If we see any trade setup, I will share on YouTube, and mostly whatever we get for a, I mean, maybe, I mean, whatever the trade we get is a short-term trade, we call it, as long as the price is within these two lines. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and if I see any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.